You want to earn $15 to $20 per project on Fiverr by doing merely 5 to 10 minutes of work? Well, stick around and I'll just show you. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Affiliate Stand. This is Danish, and before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you could smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. How do you make money in 5 minutes on Fiverr and earn $15 to $20? Well, it's quite doable and no rocket science. All you gotta do is move over to Fiverr and look for this little job called logo design. Yes, sir, logo design. It's the most easiest thing you can do on Fiverr. Look, I will do modern business logo design for $25. Oh my God. I will do unique logo design for $40, $25, $25. I mean, this is more than $15. What was I thinking? I should have said something close to this. Look at that. People are just crushing it. Let's just pick one. Okay, mount, Windows, whatever. Alright, what is his business module? Let's just look at the basic. And you don't even have to create a profile with premium standard. You just go for business basic and take it from there. Don't overboard or don't try to achieve everything in one day. Start from basic, then if you get jobs and good reviews, then you can move on to standard and premium. But right now I'm just letting you know what you need to do. One logo concept, high resolution images, JPEG, PNG, unlimited revisions. Okay, I don't know about this. This guy is clearly overconfident about his delivery and the kind of final product is gonna, final logo is gonna deliver it, he or she, whatever. So let's not get into this. I would say that you keep 2 or 3 revisions allowed in one basic business module. 2 days delivery, that's just fine. Now, why I'm saying that you can do this in, I don't know, 10 minutes max? Not even 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes. That's I'm saying too much. Just come over to Canva, create a design. You know what? Just right over here, logo. I've been searching it, so it's right on the search result suggestion. Just click over here. Now let me show you this. Come on, load up. Look at the free logos available. I'm not saying you just grab this logo and don't even bother to put in 30 seconds of work. No, I'm not saying that. Just work on it. If someone approaches you on Fiverr and they say they have a restaurant, I don't know, or maybe a music production house. So what do you want to do with that? And they need a logo for their branding and their shop or their banners, the poster, the music. Okay, super. Oh, this one. Look at this one. It has this cassette. Oh my God, I haven't seen one of these for so long. Bringing back some good old 89 memories. What did I say, 89? Why? What happened in 89? I don't know why. I'm just losing it. So, you see what I mean? You can create these beautiful logos, and you just change the name over here, whatever the company name is, established or not, if they need this or not. Retro Studio, you just like, I don't know, come up with the brand name, or maybe they have a name, they just want you to put it on the logo. Beatbox, yeah. How about that? Beatbox, look at this. I mean, it didn't even take, I don't know, how long did it take? You tell me. 1 minute? Max? 30 seconds? And if you have images of your own, you can bring those images over here and prepare the logo. Swipe images and, do your own thing. But You really have to do your own thing, really? Oh my god, look at this one. Look at this one. Acoustic, wave acoustic, music studio. Look at that. Sound bites. Look at this logo. Come on, and let's look at something else. Furniture. What about furniture? Furniture. Let's check this out. Nordic interiors. Okay, there's no image, but still, it's a good logo. It's a good idea. At least this platform gives you idea. I mean, for instance, let's just say that you are completely blank. You have no creativity at all. You come over to Canva and get inspired, man. Come on. Isn't this fun? Now the trick is how to promote your profile on Fiverr so you get orders. The easiest way to do it, according to my friends who have been killing on Fiverr, that you create a video introduction of yourself. I know somehow Fiverr algorithm has this thing. They're pretty sweet on people who have videos in their profile for as an intro to themselves. You do that, and you will definitely within 5 to 10 days max. This is the maximum I'm talking about. You're gonna get orders. You just believe in yourself, and they're. I mean, you can promote it on Twitter, and you can look for people who are into digital marketing, and you can start recruiting your orders from there. You can you can look for people into digital marketing and graphic designs in Instagram. You can get some people. You can get some leads from there as well. But that's something you can do it on the side. But if you create a decent video with your designs flashing in that video and your face in it as well, and you're telling people about yourself, and you're sitting, if your posture is right, you're confident, people will give you a chance. At least the humble small businesses, they will try you out if they don't want to spend too much money. And from there you build your reputation on Fiverr, and start building this empire. Well, I wouldn't call it an empire, but I don't know why I said it. But well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Try it out. Let me know. Leave comment. Like the video. Please support. And if you really wanna make it big in the world of affiliate marketing, check out the link in the description. The first link. You won't be sorry. Okay. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.